Clean your Cpap equipment for optimal hygiene and effective therapy. What you'll need: mild dish soap, unscented, distilled water, if recommended by your Cpap manufacturer, white vinegar, optional for occasional disinfection, clean sink or basin, soft cloth or sponge, clean towel. Cpap cleaning steps: daily cleaning. Disassemble, unplug your Cpap machine, detach your mask, tubing, and humidifier chamber, if you have one. Mask: separate the cushion, headgear, and frame. Wash in warm, soapy water, gently rub with your cloth or sponge, rinse thoroughly. Air dry completely on a clean towel. Humidifier, if applicable. Empty water chamber. Wash with warm, soapy water, rinse thoroughly. Air dry completely. Weekly cleaning. Tubing: fill your sink or basin with warm, soapy water. Submerge the tubing for about 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Hang the tubing up to drain and air dry completely. Humidifier chamber, if applicable. Soak in a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 5 parts water for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with distilled water, if recommended. Air dry completely. Important notes: never clean the Cpap machine itself with water. It has electronic parts. Wipe the outside down with a damp cloth if needed. Avoid harsh chemical cleaners or scented soaps. Replace parts as directed. Tubing, masks, and cushions generally need replacement at intervals prescribed by your Cpap provider. Check their guidelines. Consider a Cpap cleaner. Automated Cpap cleaners using ozone or UV light are available but are controversial due to potential health risks and uncertain effectiveness. Consult your doctor before using one. Additional tips: cleaning your Cpap daily prevents bacteria and mold buildup. Sunlight can harm Cpap parts, so air dry in a clean, shaded spot. Consult your Cpap manual for any specific cleaning recommendations.